Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Corona standard flat top type 1 machine. 1 series, first series Smith Corona manual. All we're going to do today is highlight the bell over here. And this bell is working. And that is why I'm going to put it on camera. So just for reference, future reference, because these get mangled and they're hard to figure out which way everything should work. I actually have this rod ready to be removed so we can see in here a little clearer. Let's see if I can get this out of here. Maybe, maybe not. It's pretty tight. Try something else to get this rod out of here. Okay. Okay. So what we have here is the margin, of course. Margin slider. And the bell actuator little arm here. Let me get a little poker thing here. So this little dealie runs into this little piece right here. So when we space across here, like this, it hits this and it raises this, and this is the clapper right here. And it's going to clap the bell, which is, you can barely see it underneath here. And that's that. When it goes backwards, back over that arm, this piece collapses and goes back over that. So we're going to go backwards over that, just like that. And it resets. So let's do this again. I'm going to do it manually here. So this piece comes, it's got a little angle on it. It's going to come right to there and start moving that arm down. When it gets to the end, it's going to snap. And that's it. So there's a spring on here, on this piece, right down in here somewhere, right about there. And then the clapper cannot touch the bell. So when the bell is, let me get this margin out of the way. Look at the bell here. So this clapper looks like it's pretty close to the bell, and it is. You want it close but not touching. So if I push down on this, it's still just a fraction till it hits the bell right there. If it's touching the bell, it's going to give a duller sound. So let's try this again from this angle maybe. So this piece connects there and triggers off, comes back, resets. So there are a few adjustments. They're all forming adjustments. You can form this piece over in this area as needed. You can form this end over here. You can form this piece here up and down. That's actually what that slot is for. So you can stick a screwdriver in here and actually adjust that as needed. Form it, adjust it to make it work perfect. Also, if it needed to go in or out, you can just flex this and form it as needed. Of course, a little spring here is important. Keeps that springing back. Some of these work off gravity, but this one is a spring operated one. So that is how that works. Just for reference purposes. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.